Today is day 14. We can see all the grafted hair. Shaft is here. The direction, the density and the angle is in the right position and the right angle. Around here too, and here. So it's only 2 weeks now. We would like to know your journey from day 1 to for the 2 weeks. How do you feel?
Good. I feel quite good actually. Didn't realize that there's a lot of hair there. There's a painless, and then feel good. Feel more confident. Feel look the shapes is there and feel nice.
We harvested this area. Look, I feel very well. The hair have already grown, and more hair will grow around this area too.